Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of $22.25. You can see the similarities how gold and silvers are moving. They are mostly trading in a same zone. See, there is an upside. We have seen a silver is also moving upside, but yes, volatility is less in silver compared to what we have seen in gold. People are trying more in the gold as compared to silver. And one important thing that you have to understand, that after pandemic there is a continuous upside in most of the commodities we have seen, and then there was a zone. Silver always moved out of a zone, and that is where it makes upside and a downfall whenever it moves out of a zone. Because you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, always remember to follow price action, because that works more better compared to other strategies. Okay, see, I'll tell you how it works. See, if you can see that this particular trend, overall trend is downside, you cannot be on the buying side. If you are on a selling side, you can make good profit. Okay, similarly, if it is on the upper side, you have to be on the buy side, then it can give you a good profit. Okay, but volatility can be there. See, suppose this is the volatility, and sometime it is like this volatility. So you have to choose your quantity as per that. Suppose if this volatility, you can choose quantity like this, but if the volatility is high, you can reduce the quantity, increase your SL and targets when the volatility is high. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high that it will not sustain, because we have seen there is a continuous downtrend, overall trend. Volatility is also good, so always remember to keep your quantity half, increase your SL by twice, and your target. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further down towards a level of $22.199. Okay, and if that level goes further low, then a probability of going towards 22 we can see. Once the price started moving below 22, chances of touching a level of 21.985 will be there, and if it started going further low, then yes, a probability of going towards 21.687 is there. Okay, now once the price started falling 21.687, then yes, a probability of moving further down we can see, and then touching a level of 21.544 we can see. And if that level goes further down, yes, a probability of touching a level of around 21.242 we can see. This is the level. Okay, again I repeat, you have to understand these supports and resistance plays an important role where a profit bookings come or a turnaround comes. So always try to trail your SL at these particular points, then you can make a good profit. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $22.180 to a level of 22.063. If that level goes further low, then a probability of touching 21.697 we can see, and if it started going further down, then a probability of touching 21.242. Okay, and if started going below a level of 21.242, then a probability of going to below a level of that we can see, and that can touch a level of around 20.899, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $20.505. Okay, and as soon as started going below that level, a further fall we can see in the price of silver. Okay, but if it moves out of this particular zone, that means it is a 5 week zone, so it will be a month low. So chances are high, as soon as started going below 21.563, probability of going towards 21.317 we can see, and then a probability of going towards 20.760 to a level of 20.705. As soon as started going below this level, then we can see it will be around March. We have seen this level at March, so around 6-7 months a low we can see, and then a probability of going further fall we can see. So understand, if there is a zone breakout, if it moves upside, a further upside, and if it goes below down, and the further fall we can see in the price of any of the commodity, because it's a chart explanation. But suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside, and yes, a probability of going towards a level of around 22.548 is there. This $22.548 is already being tested, so chances are high the price can go further high and can go towards 22.786, and if that level move further high, then yes, a probability of crossing a level of 23 we can see. Once the price started going above a level of 23, then yes, a probability is higher that it can go and cross a level of, understand, if it sustain at a level of 23, Probability of crossing a level of around 23.310 is there, and this level is already being tested. Chances are high it will cross a level of 22.371 and then can touch a level of $23.618. Okay, if the price started going up that level, it will cross a level of around $23.689, and from there a further upside we can see towards 23.789. Okay, and as soon as it moves out $23.789, there is the zone breakout, so chances are high it will go further upside, and yes, we can see a level of $24. Once the price started sustaining up $24, a further high we can see, and this towards a level of $24.378 to a level of 24.502. Okay, and if the price started falling, moving above a level of 24.502, then it's a probability of going further high we can see, and then a probability of going further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've got the mail ID is also in the description. If you think I'm going very fast, you can mail me regarding that also. I'll explain you in different details if you're not understanding anything. Okay, as well as if you want to attend my workshop also, you can mail me and then we can do a workshop depending on how you understand the market. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.